Here's the Astro Excel chart, 60-minute. This is the past week just finished. Take a look at this chart. How I've marked this up is pretty self-explanatory. This is how you want to look at the blue line, green line as you're moving through the week. You always want to be comparing the price action to the blue and the green line and understanding what's happening there. Notice how we started the week off Sunday night, the 14th, right here, the 14th to the 15th. Both lines were up. The market was up. The blue line turned down, crossed the green line, and that started our inversion off of the green line. The green line is generally the primary trend. Sometimes the market will follow the blue line. So we had the blue pivot cross the green. That was an inversion trigger. Also a pivot. Notice how in this area, the first red rectangle in the inversion area, the market action tracked the blue line. Look at the high-low pattern. It's pretty close. Both lines peaked here at the low. And as these lines pivot with the energy change, the market pivoted to the upside because we're inverted to this point. After we get out of that zone, the two lines go flat between 0 and plus 10. Notice how the market kind of goes sideways and is consolidating in this area. Notice how the green line and blue line kind of went down up in here, and the market went down and up inside that tight neutral area. And when we got to the end of that, where the blue line had turned down, it had crossed the green line here. That's right as the market is starting to peak. The market peaks here then as the blue line bottoms and the green line crosses down below 0. We get the pivot high, and the market starts to track down with the green line. Green line bottoms, market bottoms. Notice how we're flatlining here. We get this flat consolidation at the lows. And then the market starts to move through that pivot point on the green line, still sideways. As the blue is sideways, the green starts to turn up, and then as they both are working upward, the market starts moving to the upside. Then we've got this low point on the blue line here is this pivot point here. It's kind of a high and a low on the big wick spike there. And then we had one more good pivot on the blue line below the minus 10 here to this low to close out the week. So this is how you kind of want to be looking at this chart and using it in this manner. Now I'm going to pull in the next week's chart and just show the major movement in that green and blue line for the coming week. All right, here's what it looks like coming up. So we've got to move up on the green line, then it heads down. It's going down to, we're actually going to peak here at about 1 a.m. on the 22nd. We're going to go down and bottom out here late on the 22nd. As we start the 23rd, the green line starts pushing up till it peaks here on the 24th. 4 a.m. then it's down, and then it starts to move up. There won't be any trading in here anyway, but we bottom here on the 24th at 7:27. We get up about the plus 15, 16 area on the 25th, peaking the 25th, and then moving down from there. Important blue line spikes. We've got this peak here on the 22nd, but that's right near the end of the day, about 3:15 to the 4:30 area. We've got another peak on the 23rd, peaking here at 10:18 to 11:30. We've got this bottoming here at end of the day session on the 23rd. And then this low on the 24th at 5:19 a.m. That'll probably be abbreviated trading that day, and that's going to be it as we move into Friday. We're going to have both lines moving down. So there's a little bit of a review and a look at the coming week on the Astro Excel.